Ma'am sir, if you are looking for a house and lot property here in Avida Settings, Nuvali at AK Realty, ma'am sir, we have available ready for occupancy house and lot, ma'am sir. So ang kagandahan po sa property na ito, aside from along main road po, you have 13 meters frontage po ng property niyo. And at the same time po, ito po yung sa parking po na area ninyo. So it's either dalawang SUV or you can park alongside po sa kalsada po. So you have 13 meters. Sa kabilang side nyo, ma'am sir, is your garden. So meron po kayong garden dito. So pasok po tayo. Anyway, ma'am sir, this property is a total of 135 square meter for the flat area. And for the floor area, total of 69 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. So as you can see, this is the living area. And this is the dining area. Itong part po na ito. And the kitchen po. So this property, ma'am sir, is as is po. So mayroon po tayong toilet area po sa baba na ito. So ayun po. And in this side po, ma'am sir, is your access po sa parking po natin. At the back po ng house po, ma'am sir, you have 3 meters po na setback pa sa baba po. Ayan po. Kaya akit po tayo. Again, ma'am sir, this property po is 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. So in front po ng stair nyo, ma'am sir, is your common toilet and bath. So on your right side is the master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. Ayan po. You have 2 wide windows and provision for the aircon po. So master's bedroom, second bedroom. Ito po yung pang second niya. You have a wide window rin po. And the third bedroom. Ito po siya. So dito naman po, you have a corner view sa portion na ito. And all bedroom natin, ma'am sir, including the master's bedroom, is meron na po siya naka-provision for the aircon. Alright? Ma'am sir, if you are interested to this property po at AK Realty, ma'am sir, message po kami sa number na ito, 24/7 po. Sasagutin namin ang mga concern nyo. So let's do actual viewing po sa property na ito. So once again, this is Philip Ken Egige, host of AK Realty. Thank you so much po.